everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can transfer USDT from BitKit Wallet to BitKit Exchange. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. Now to do so, you have to make sure you have got BitKit Exchange and BitKit Wallet, two separate applications. Now once you have got that, you're gonna go ahead, open up your BitKit Wallet right over there, and you're gonna go to the section of receive or the deposit. Then you're gonna go ahead and copy the particular address for USDT separately. You can go ahead, go to the asset section and tap on USDT or USDT and have the address copied, or you can simply copy the wallet address of your BitKit wallet as well. Now once you have done that, you're going to go ahead, open up your BitKit Exchange app over here, and you're going to go to the section of withdraw. Then from over here, you're gonna be able to find the section where you'll have to provide your address and the amount and the currency. Go ahead, add in the address that you just copied from the BitKit wallet, paste the address, add the USDT currency, and review the transaction and confirm it, and the transaction shall process and you will get notified regarding once it's done. You can check out later on your BitKit wallet as well. You can later check out on your BitKit on your balance as well. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.